Dear student, look at the picture. You can see some important picture. Can you guess what about the pictures? Or what can you see in the picture? Just think it. Just think it, my dear students. Or what can you see in the picture? Dear student, I am Mr. Abdul Halim. Today I want to teach you about the national history of our country, 21 February. 21 February is a memorable or historical or remarkable or unforgettable day in our country. Everybody knows that in 1952, the heroes of our country tried to fight against West Pakistan for the mother language day. Dear student, in 21 February is a memorable day in our national history. We observe the day every year as an International Mother Language Day, IMLD, International Mother Language Day. The day is a national holiday. Dear student, on this day, we pay tribute to the martyrs who sacrificed their life to establish Bangla as a state language in our country. Dear student, the struggle to achieve our language rights is known as the language movement. General of Pakistan declared in a public meeting in Dhaka that Urdu would be the only state language of Pakistan. The declaration raised a storm. The declaration raised a storm of protest in the eastern part of the country, now in Bangladesh. The protests continued non-stop, gathering momentum day by day. Dear student, it ran into a moment and reached its climax. It turned into a moment and reached its climax. The government outlawed all sorts of public meeting and rallies to stop it. Dear student, the student of Dhaka University defined the law and brought out a peaceful procession on 21 February in 1952. When the procession reached near Dhaka Medical University or Dhaka Medical College, the police opened fire on the students, killing instantly Salam, Rafiq, Jabbar, Shafiul, Barkat, or so forth. As a result, there were mass procession, protests all over the country, and the government had to declare Bangla as a state language. The sparks of independence movement of Bangladesh. Dear student, 21 February is observed all over the world. Already we have known. Today, 21 February is observed as Shahid Divas or Language Day every year throughout the country. In remembrance of the martyrs remembrance of the martyrs. Dear students, language movement of 1952. The commemoration begins at the early hours of the day with morning songs that recall the supreme sacrifice of our language martyrs. Dear student, many of the visit the graves of the martyrs at Azimpur graveyard and pray for them. They also attend various programs, organization, remembrance of the language martyrs. The UNESCO, United States, United Nation, dear student, the UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization on 17 November in 1999 proclaimed 21 February as the International Mother Language Day in recognition of the sacrifice of the martyrs, the rightful place of Bangla. The day is now annually observed worldwide to promote awareness of linguistic and cultural diversity and multilingualism. Dear student, we are the only nation all of the world who sacrificed the life for language. We are the only nation sacrificed our life for language. We're proud for our national heroes who sacrificed their lives in 1952 in Dhaka for receiving holy language Bangla. Every student should respect the first language. Every people should respect their first language. Bangla is our first language. We should respect our Bengali. We have to use our language properly. Because as a student of class 10, it is high time to receive the real theme of language. How do you express your feelings in Bangla? Same as you have to know the history of our country about in 1952, in 1971, in 1966, 1969, or so forth. Also, we should respect of others' language. As a student, as English students, you have to acquire huge knowledge in English to express of your feelings in this way. My dear student, we try to respect whole of the nation, whole of the language, whole of the world. Thanks of all. Dear student, already I have written some important question about places. How is 21 February observed today? What was the result of the killing on 21 February? My dear student, how did Mr. Jinnah show the seeds of language movement? Why is 21 February a national holiday? When did the protest reach its climax? Dear student, already I have also written some multiple questions. Choose the correct answer from the alternatives below. The word outlaw means bar, ban, stop, frame and law. Dear student, in 1952, Pakistan was poor, divided, undivided at where? Question number 3, multiple question number 3. The word momentum means force, support, acceptance, rejection. Salam and Barkat. Already we have known about them. Who was Salam and who was Barkat? Salam and Barkat were the citizens of East Pakistan, Bangladesh, West Pakistan, or India. In 1971, East Pakistan turned into East Pakistan, Bangladesh, West Pakistan, or Nepal. Dear student, in this pandemic period, you have to read up your book thoroughly and also know the Bangla meaning of this passage 21 February. It's also national history in our country. At whom you should read nicely, meaningfully, and also you try to yourself. If you are unable to understand the passage in this period, COVID period, you have to communicate of your teacher with mobile phone or ICT way. Thank you of all. Safe and free and fair life against COVID or coronavirus. Thanks of all.